whoa, you have people shook about your come up. Now, I'm picking up for some of you that you are entering a new phase in your life. This could possibly play out around Taurus season. So we're talking end of April, May times, right? But there's a positive energy that's coming from the King of Pentacles card. I feel that you're going towards a more stable time in your life. I feel that you're going towards a more abundant time in your life where you will start to see your manifestations flourish. I feel that your living improvements will be very stable, very happier. Some of you are going into new jobs, new opportunities. You and your partner are getting on. Some of you have found a new partner. Now, this is where the problem is. Nothing wrong with your new partner, but there's some people that are not happy that you are in this new phase, I should say, because there could have been a time where you were struggling financially, where you were not stable in your home, where you were renting. Now you have purchased a home, or for some of you, you could have found a home that you made into a palace, quite frankly. I feel like you could be going towards a job that is going to pay you more, or you had some sort of promotion. There's something that is upgraded in your life, and I feel like it could be choice of partner as well. And however, there are some people that are happy for you, because these people that are happy for you, they've got their own thing going on in their life. They're focused on their goals, they're focused on their family and their health and their happiness. So they want whoever they're connected with, like their friends and family members, to be successful as well. So you do have people that are happy for you. However, there are people that are not happy for you, specifically in regards to your relationship, right? These individuals are very angry that you're in this new relationship. It's almost as if these individuals wanted you to be with individuals who were narcissistic, who were emotionally unavailable, who were dark empaths, who were just mean-spirited, right? You may have dealt with these types of individuals in the past. You may have dealt with, manipulators. And now that you are in a new connection with somebody that is emotionally available, is emotionally open, is romantic, they're deeply in love with you, you're deeply in love with them, these people are angry because they want to hear the negativity. They want to hear about the bad things that occurred in your life. And you know how the saying goes, TikTok family member, misery loves company. So maybe at a time you and these individuals were talking about your partners to each other and how bad your partners were treating you, but still staying. We've all been there. Right, but it gets tiring, it gets boring, right? We were on another frequency at the time. We didn't do the work, we didn't heal, right? You're not in that cycle anymore. Yes, it's okay to talk about an experience you experienced, that's different. I'm talking about staying with someone and complaining about that person. What good is that going to do? It's only going to conjure up more negativity to stick onto your relationship. And now you've moved on to someone that is simply amazing. I'm hearing simply the best. This person's passionate, they're creative, they're romantic, they're just like your dream partner, and you're their dream partner also. And some people are very angry because they may have chosen to stay with these ex-partners or these partners that they complain about, but they're seeing that you're moving on. They're seeing that you've taken that opportunity to do better for yourself, and it paid off. And maybe by you doing that, it should have given them hope to do the same. But no, they want to stay stuck and they want to evil eye you. I feel that you are feeling much lighter now. If some of you have social media presences, your social media followers will grow. I also feel that some of you could be launching something on social media. Some of you could be launching a new blog, a new vlog channel. I also feel that some of you are going to get a promotion. And if you are wanting to date someone new, then you will have your pick and choose as to who you want to connect with, and these are good, moral, like-minded souls is what I'm picking up. I'm also picking up that if you belong to a group, club, or organization, then you will excel in these areas. Or Spirit is saying that some of you may decide to go back to the gym. you're definitely leveling up. Some of you have definitely had a glow up. Maybe you've changed your image, your hair color, your dress sense. There's been a shift. I feel like there's been a shift from within. Some of you've got a new tattoo as well, right? But you're definitely putting yourself first. Some of you are going to the hairdressers more regular. Some of you are now getting your nails done more regular. There's definitely a surge of confidence that you are exuding. You're feeling lighter. Your health could be getting better. You're taking care of your health. You're taking care of your skin. You're glowing is what I'm picking up, and you're standing out. And it's getting people upset because maybe these individuals were so used to you being downtrodden, upset, depressed, or whatever the case is, and you've taken your power back. You shifted the energy. You're doing the inner work. You're walking away from problems, situations, and people that make you feel bad, and you're cutting these individuals off as well because you were carrying a lot of dead weight around, and you want to go towards a new cycle of positivity is what I'm picking up. And you may get people clinging onto your energy, wanting to, call you, wanting to reach out to you, text you, message you, whatever the case is. But these individuals want to keep you trapped and stuck because they want you to stay in the same cycle that they were in or that they are in. They want to hear about gossip that is going wrong in your life as opposed to what's going right. They want to find out what is actually going on in your life so that they can fixate and maybe gossip about you. But you are drained. You're taking time out. You're healing. And you realize that these individuals did not wish the best for you. And unfortunately, they didn't. These individuals wanted you to stay stuck in the mind. They didn't want you to believe that you can achieve anything that you put your mind to. They were on a mission to block you. For some of you, these individuals did block you. They've talked you out of your blessings. They may have put you down. They may have told you that you'll never achieve anything in life. Meanwhile, they were trying to achieve the same thing behind your back. These individuals are very ambitious. There's nothing wrong with being ambitious, but these individuals wanted to be first. There's the energy of delusion with these individuals. When you weren't seeing your worth, it kept these people satisfied. These people could be younger than you or they could act younger than you. And they are jealous of your maturity. These people have been competing with you for far too long. And you've realized that and you don't want this anymore. There's definitely jealousy around your creativity and how you are expanding with your creativity. Some of you are taking your talents and creativity very seriously right now, and you're putting yourself out there. You're profiting from your creativity. This was not part of the plan. These individuals never praised you. Or if they did, it wasn't, so much so to uplift you and empower you. Now, we don't have to seek outside validation, but when it's coming from people that is close to you, you want to hear some feedback. And these people purposely did not give you any feedback. And if they did, it was negative feedback. I feel like these people could be your family members for some of you. These people are trapped and stuck and they feel like they missed the boat. I also feel like they could be unhappy in their own love life. And when they see that you are in love with life or you have a partner that loves you, it makes them feel very saddened. I also feel that you have some people that are shook about your expansion. There's some sort of level up that you are moving towards, right? You are expanding. Some of you could be traveling. And I feel that someone is taking you seriously. Someone wants to settle down with you, or someone will want to settle down with you. Someone will want you to be their spouse. And this person could be of a different cultural background than yourself. This individual could be well off, or they come from a very prestigious background, but they see the prestige within you. Like attracts like, and even if this person makes more, even if you make more financially, you both have an abundant energy. You are an energetic match is what I'm picking up. And people don't understand it. This person and yourself may have dated in the past, but they're going to reconnect, or there could be some sort of separation is what I'm picking up, but you will reconnect. I feel that maybe the separation was due to interferences from other people, their family members, because we've got the Three of Swords in the reverse, and this person is going to overcome some sort of burdens that were preventing them from moving towards you. Whoever interfered in this situation is going to be iced out. A cycle will close. You are on your way to new love and people are not happy about it. This is one of their biggest fears, that you're going to be stable, which you are going to be. If you're married, they want this marriage to end. You are going to be chosen, even though you're not pick me, but it's your time to shine now. The old paradigm is going to break down, you know, a tower moment is going to occur, and it's going to allow you to move towards love.